Ready to fly your drone? Here's a quick checklist from home or your office before you go on site to make sure you're ready. Open before you fly. Check the weather, make sure the registration is visible on your drone, make sure the registration is in your bag, make sure you have all the permissions to fly where you're headed, update the app on your phone, update the firmware, make sure the SD card is formatted, all the gear is ready and in your bag, all drone batteries are charged. All good? Ready to go on site. Perfect. Now crush like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if there's anything missing in this checklist in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a beautiful day. Make sure you watch the next video where I'll go over the checklist right before takeoff.